Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. Here's how to download Twitter alias X videos on your iPhone in just a few sample steps. First, open the Twitter app and find the videos you want to save. Tap the share icon below the video and select the copy link. Next, open Safari and go to a trusted video downloader like Save TweetVid or TW Down. Paste the copied link in the input field and tap Download. Select your preferred video quality, then tap and hold the download button to choose Download linked file. After the video downloads, open the Files app, locate the file, and move it to your Photos app for easy access. Thank you for watching How to Wave. If it was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.